Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa. Kick back and catch a.
Hey love bugs, welcome to the channel. So as you guys already know, we got new furniture for the family room. So now it is time for me to style it. And I'm not only going to just style the new sectional sofa, I'm going to style the entire family room. So I'm so glad that you guys are here with me as I style the family room. I'm so excited, you guys. I cannot wait to see how it turns out. But to go ahead and let you guys know, I will be using olive green, black, whites, and neutrals. So let's get into this refreshing our family room for the summer. Yay, I'm so excited. And if you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Don't hesitate to click on that subscribe button. And if you're returning, welcome back. Y'all know we can't do it without you, love bugs. All right, y'all, let's get into this decorating with me. So as you can see, I am using one of the pillows that came with the sectional sofa. I am using this black and off-white, and I'm using this olive green. I think this is pairing really, really well together. So this is my first look. I'm so excited that I'm able to use the pillows that came with the couch, because in the beginning I felt like that I wasn't going to use them, but the sectional is so big and bulky until I did need to use the additional pillows. Now I don't think this is going to be the final look. I'm going to play around with the pillows a little bit, and thank you guys so much for tuning in and follow along as I decorate this couch. So, love bugs, this is the second look of the couch with the pillows. I decided to put it this way, but please don't click off because I may be changing it. You don't want to miss out, but I am liking this look here. As you can see, I did add the small olive pillows and I gave it the chop effect, but it's looking good, but it still feels like there's something that's missing. So as you guys can see, I've already put the rug out and I've added the gold glass table. Y'all, I am loving this rug. It is a perfect match. It is a perfect fit for this space. It looks absolutely gorgeous and I love it. And you guys, all of my pillows, my throws, and the rug, I got it from Amazon. So check out my Amazon store link, and if you're interested in anything, it is there in my Amazon store. So again, I got this rug and the throws that you see, the olive green throws that you see on the couch, and the pillows, they all came from Amazon. So check out my Amazon storefront. I would love for you guys to shop my Amazon storefront because I do gain commission. I really need your help and support. Okay, love bugs, let's tune into this reveal. I have decorated the entire space. So let's look and check it out. I hope you guys enjoy what I have created here in this space. I am so excited for the look of it. I love everything that I have done here, and I hope that I can get a big thumbs up from you guys with what I have created in the space. And as you can see, I did add some black pillows to the sectional sofa here, and that's what was missing, a dab of black. So check out the coffee table here, the end tables, just check out the whole space. I'm just going to be quiet and let you guys look and marinate, let this decor marinate in your souls, and hope that you guys like it, and hope that I was able to motivate or inspire you guys to update and refresh your space for the summer. At this point, I am loving the way the couch is looking. I'm also loving the end tables, the decor that I have placed on there. I never decorate the end tables the exact same way because I want to see, things looking a little bit different. So I did decorate both end tables a little bit differently. So I also added my 2 stools there, as you can see. So everything is looking pretty nice there. I must say it again that I absolutely love that rug there. It was a great pick there. So here you see my my glass stand here, whereas I decorated it too. I tried to blend in the colors. There's Mr. and Mrs. Smith. I tried to blend in the colors, which is the black, the olive green, and the off-white decor pieces here to make everything come together and have a great contrast between my sitting area, large sitting area, along with my smaller sitting area back here. And so we did change out some of the paintings on the wall, and this middle black painting came from Hobby Lobby. I did get that from Hobby Lobby. And then we have our accent chairs here, accompanied by a throw and a black pillow. So again, we have a lot of contrast going on here. At first I thought it was like a little bit too much back here, but as I slept on it and then woke up the next day, I was like, okay, I'm liking this. I'm liking the way it looks, because I am trying to change up my decor style a little bit, and I think I did do it here by decorating a little bit differently, and somewhat of a smaller scale of ethnic decorating, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I like the space. I love the greenery here, and it's just beautiful, and it's cozy. It's it's comfy, and I just love the space. I love what I have created here, and I hope that you guys love it too. Again, if you can give us a big thumbs up, please do so. And if this is your first time here, please don't hesitate to click on that subscribe button. I appreciate all of your support, and I hope I was able to inspire someone in this video. And please don't hesitate to leave us comments down below. And with that being said, love bugs, I am going to sign off and let you finish looking at this video, and then we will see you all in the next video. Bye bye, love bugs.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at vibe. We at home